watch what I do. You have to keep it kind of steady and a steady distance. Don't get your right, guys. I'm not doing very long if I'm looking at it either. Try it again.